Oh, another challenging Bandit for today. Oh, goodness gracious. At least that chain's well lubed. Nice to see. Got a few years of built up chain lube to remove. Oh, lovely. See if we can get this exhaust polished all back up. Another one this client is selling. Cool. Looks like she's been outside for a while. Bit of furring up. Oh, lovely. I do love a challenge on a Sunday morning, albeit a very cold Sunday morning. One way to warm yourself up, a bit of scrub-a-dub-dub. God, it's really furred up. To give that a good old coating of ACF 50, see if we can put some silver on this cover here. Oh goodness. Trying to get set up and work some magic. All right, finally getting around to the finishing touches on this Bandit 1250. I would say she looks a different bike. Painted all these engine covers as they were absolutely minging. I managed to get these wheels all polished up, all these calipers all minted, touched up all the rusty pinch bolts, exhaust has all been minted, these engine covers I've painted, covered everything in ACF 50 as it's sitting outside. Painted all your brackets, all your center stand, mirror polished your footrest hangers. You would never think this bike has 40,000+ miles on it. This gentleman I think he's putting this one up for sale as with his other one. I would have thought I've just added a bit to the value of it. Don't forget, I'm open 7 days a week. Satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.